Some people might have two live for share with you know. Seeing one with Rosalie a beat Candy. When you know say them did good what they here and then them kick off. You see me I say me no know where them kick off all now. You know what I mean? Somehow no maybe know. But Rosalie go for him wicked today and deal with him wicked. You see me I go make you know see what go on there so. But before me share that with you, RT boss them say, cause no fan must know by now, say them all up on RT boss allegedly because people are say I saw it go, enough people are say I saw it go. So over Dan you know say when it come to Dan and Dan depend him live, people can come talk them thing, you know what I mean? And Dan run them off or he make them voice them opinion. So me I gonna make you know hear where some of the people them Pandan live I say about the whole RT bar something. Me know you see Spice and the youth where them say whatever come out and the youth talk with him for talk and now you see me I say the next day we are here say boy and people you know so much money RT bar say want. So people I want to tell me what you think in the comment section, you know, because I don't know what you say about that one of people. So we are going to get tonight and go over there and hear what them are say and then we go to Rosalie.
Bella put up a post, man. Bella post and say we stand with RT.
Yeah, but you know, so like you must stand with him too because she's not here. You should
You
have
know, put
always
out
did
the
an
video when
inbox. Because
normally
when
a
you
video
didn't
to
stand
the
with him
put
other day, you was always in the inbox. And you always there where everybody I run out and I say, bossy, so where are you now?
Bella the pan break.
Where
She
are
can
you
pan.
now that your bossy really needs you? Because your bossy is sinking.
You have one next big back one big head one will look like wild hedgehog. When name what's your name? Wait name Jamaican. I don't know where it find her.
Me say, man, sick my stomach, you
You
see.
think of me alone and just can't help my stomach weight sick.
But you can't too blame them. Remember again, the Bible says, some trust in horse and chariots. Let's rephrase it. Some trust in obia and spiritual reading. You can't blame them and for them believe. So no matter
after
how,
RT can't read
remember say
nobody.
Christ was here and nobody didn't believe him. Say he was the Christ.
No, me love them if him bad, so make you not dumb all me. Make you not dumb all me. I go with them
He can't dumb
favorites.
nobody because if he never see say this is coming, how him a go dumb you? Remember saying hey, see this coming, you know?
Lady, I want God and I want above. Me don't know about no more. Me not church and worship no more.
Me can't frighten for nothing with dead and can't raise in a 3 days, my love.
Let me tell you a part of this one me no like. The people them we come out and I say, oh Spice wicked. So RT now wicked for a dry woman 3 years and one time a woman answer. She don't even call in name. Una say woman, where woman wicked with? What she do?
And say she a go
Ask
get in
somebody
a
a
problem
question.
for the video where she do with the Likkle boy.
We ask somebody a question.
And the people that believe in our hobby say someone.
But when he did come and show up, blame them on him platform for tell lie blame them not even know hotel where they did go blah blah say a hotel then he say a Airbnb. So when he did do all of that, he ain't wicked.
Everything with RT do good, but find in the bad.
You must go down. That's all me say. You must go down.
Them need to tell him when they're wrong.
Exactly. If you have a friend and you can't tell them when they're wrong, it don't make sense.
Yeah, because the fact him come out and him say him sorry my son when he was much younger. Come on, how can you say that? And I don't hear
They should have
nobody
locked him up.
boy. That's wrong. That's wrong
Show
for you to say.
yourself, child, not only 2 months a man thing.
That's use.
Dan,
Yeah.
Dan.
Yeah.
Bella did just step on royalty page, you know. I tell them the payment. Bella,
Yeah.
she did just step on royalty page. I tell them the payment method. And say she not feel. Yeah, go up. Me I say them get 11,000.
Tell her me call. I be a lady over there tell. Tell her me call her.
She come off, man. She said she not feel too good and she tell royalty that she'll come back later. And she'll tell the people them say the payment made to them dep on the right can her page. And them she not feel good now. She want to go home until she hear from Bossy.
And then know say one big lie. Everybody knows
Come here,
say one
sis,
big lie.
Dan. Why they not bring her
Come like
the
Bella
payment?
hide.
How come they don't make Blinger collect the money? Why the bars are dodging money from Blinger?
Blinger go laugh.
Ila,
Give
I mean,
Blinger they give Blinger news for read and Blinger did a laugh.
live. $150. And
Then give
then
Blinger
your
news for read and
royalty,
Blinger did a
Try big up
laugh.
yourself.
your
Let me
royalty, you know. Jamaican people no too blood clot and grateful. Look how the man run out phone every time when I want reading. A man going all free reading and know a man want help and nobody can help him. He take out $3,000 in pocket and put pan a big
but
something the
but
other day.
cocoa tree,
And now nobody can help.
cocoa tree. So why RT them are just spice alone? Why him not go to little boy?
That's what
And
me
the
want
little
to
boy
know.
know him forgot adjust now, you know. Can little boy talk?
No, they not go adjust it because they want take it off of him. You know, see the man put out pictures this morning because he want take it he picked it something off
What
of
kind
him.
of case RT have you want 30,000? What kind of case RT have?
Maybe
What
Dan,
kind of
maybe
Just get
case?
lock up and want
Dan, maybe
30,000
more
and we don't know
medical,
where you get what are the charges.
medical help, so them need money. You know, see RT get maga.
They
You
say
want
them
go
get
on
RT got put in
intensive
our
care,
mad out.
Dan, because with them they bump them. With them they bump them when they're in a
Yeah, true, true.
here. IT need medical attention. Right now.
Man want 100,000. I bump them for the body at 100,000 bump. So if you pay one of them,
Me never know that day that come. Me never know.
Love bring
I
down
said
people
you
too much.
voodoo that
Anybody
we
will
are
love bring
talk
down
about
people.
them. Me fi stereotype or else. Come on your blood clot, make a write you off.
Who said that, Dan? Who said that?
The voodoo dolly, we always a talk about hobby.
People, I gotta tell you something. This is a circus. And you see RT boss, him are the puppet master. You see how long RT boss dey on Instagram. You see how long Blinger dey on Instagram. And them never get the people them where them want. Them never get a bunch of people fi do it whatever them want. Them find something in the people. Yeah man, them find something we give them a whole heap of people for them do whatever with, and a bunch of people we now go say no, we not do this. Them find a bag of yes people, you see me, and them enough to, you know. So you see where RT was them are going with is like a long time them want some people feel lead. You see me? And me telling you already, you know, people, do not believe these social media galangins. You see me I say? Because we as younger people, at least me a big somebody, you know what I mean, the younger people them, we expect them to go around and do all different type of foolish to try to get people to, you know what I mean, watch them and them something there. But we see the big people them a do it. You see me? And people don't watch and see what go on. You know what I mean? Because me, I'm not that type of person for everything me see and hear, me believe. I only hope say uno just don't take these things serious. Uno just watch it like when did I watch a movie. So make you watch some more.
You not get call her name because I not get no prop, no highlight from here.
No get annoying.
Can't tell them say I want to breed for little.
So she
young
just
boy.
start follow up over Blinger. So she just start go over Blinger what there. She feel like she all that. But she can say me better and she look better. Me the blood clot and me could have be your mother. You can't be 40 years old and me a 50 old.
That no easy, no.
And them just never know that this day will
I
come.
think I'm saying this video enough. Kangle face woman, are you me attack? Kangle face woman, are you me attack? Kangle face woman, are you me attack? You could have been
Kangla
one
good something, you know, you have to come better. Kangla good something.
of RT gear the name there, same RT gear the name there.
Right.
RT gear the name there, never see me
Yes,
making
you
video.
go turn pan all of them, you know, just wait. Your sibling, I'm have to do everything when you say, if you never do that this morning, remember saying go back and dabbling a wall again. This time,
And
bling, I would have none under there.
the big face one named Jamaican. That
The edge
big
hag.
food upon
Edge
face.
hag. The edge hag.
Well, me never hear she say nothing about me, so me not trouble she. But
But then can't talk now, Dan. Them have to quiet. Cause them boss gone, then can't find him.
Run down,
them boss not there now when they in a Bellevue.
Are in there repair.
Tell him to go beard and come, we ready for him. 1 more week was a cussing all them blood clot, then after next week he good like gold. Now 1 more was a beating face, 1 more week was a beating. Blame them say, blame them gone, blame them one I mean one. And blame them saying gone, because people they still support RT, so now do no more cussing a blood clot in tired. Me tired too.
RT got a repair shop.
He's gonna be for the next couple of days. You see how quiet he's gonna be. He's growing up something. Just watch him.
I come back with something, man.
That's all.
But a blood clot I mean come for now. People want take pussy picture
a
out.
scratch on your body in the morning, and I hear about it. Oh,
If he come out, the last man tell me to touch and me foot me a beat me female. And me leg me a beat because camera never in it. And he said to me, say, Mummy, top beat is hard, man, a beat hard. And he can't see. Me no picture out. So if he come down for me, why me life a free so much? Remember my life I go like that.
When RT can come with nothing at this point and people believe that, come on. But they not believe that.
remember Terry, he's going down. So let me tell you something. When he's going, he want to drag everybody with him.
Now can't everybody with him blood clot, yeah?
So let me tell you something. It's gonna get ugly. Oh, it's gonna get nasty. I'm predicting it, and I know.
Worse. He might come out with some dusty, nasty sitting. He might pay for everything he can pay
Because
for.
he have no shame. He never address nobody. He have no shame. He never come out and say sorry. No shame. So it's gonna take a lot. It's gonna take a lot.
Say I go come out nasty, so me I ask if I go come out nastier than he wear. I would love to know.
Don't
Now
nasty.
get Photoshop.
That's nasty, stinky,
I'm going to pay for false news. I'm coming all different something. All different something I'm going to come with.
You know what he does? He walk around and make people scared because they think that he have some kind of powers. He doesn't have shit.
He don't have no power.
Good evening. Hey, Don, good evening. Big up.
Even.
Queenie Boo, big up.
I fear him.
He has no power.
Some people want to not tell me want to think about everything. You see me? We have some more things we are going to get into, you know. We have more done yet. You see me? But I have to say this, my people. You know, first time you used to look up to the bigger people, them for knowledge and them something there and for show you the right thing and lead you in the right place. Now, them are big people here, get social media and turn fool. You see me I say? A long time RT boss and blinger want people to follow them like how them have the following you over TikTok, you know. I know how them get that following you still, you know, but you know what I mean? It's like me can't explain it to you in a way, but you know what I mean? Them get a following where them people here, them a look for them, lead them. So anything RT boss say, at that go. You see me I say? And me couldn't believe when the people them say, a man showing body on live, you know. I say, what? Me never, you know what I mean? Until I think me go over Instagram and see it over there. Me have to say, no man, as a big man, have look at something about yourself. You know what I mean? But people, is like, this man, he like, him get the people them for follow him now. So it's like him want keep them, him want bling, get the people them to follow them. You know what I mean? So them are do everything to keep the people them. So let me know what you think in the comment section, my people. We're gonna watch some more.
do for a living. So if you don't want to sit down and make him chop, you know, a phone of business.
Okay, so now you no control TikTok.
You not get me wrong, me no want nothing bad for happen to him, but if you take him beaten, take him whole week, a week you forget your beaten whole week. Next
so
week.
Lord, do you believe now, say, the whole thing with Blinger was a setup? Because it look like a pair of them something that them depend.
With the cussing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me never say cussing a setup, because too much sitting talk out where it couldn't be cuss. It couldn't be set up. Too much sitting talk out where I make you cry. No, sir. Me don't believe that.
Me just feel say them depend some.
No, me no feel so. Other people have their opinion. Some people feel like that, but me no feel like nobody a go cuss you for make you all cry and you say, I plan on a plan. No, sir.
But you know, sibling almost cry again this morning. Look like crying around. You know, like she knows.
She said she easy for cry. She talk all the while, so she easy for cry. Even before the incident, she always said she easy for cry. Remember she not cry when body good then.
But hold on a second. Take this.
She cry why? She easy for cry, she said.
Well, I know maybe RT tell her second member Blinger want the money probably to go do her surgery. So maybe RT you tell her say, you know, you can use this. Send me to jail.
Well, I don't know what he said. I don't know say RT in there no fucking jail. I don't know about nothing more. I know they are in jail.
I don't feel him there jail either.
Nobody can
can't go to jail because them are custom at all legal stuff on TikTok for a while and then no police get involved with it and them things. So that's impossible.
In one, listen how much liar in one. In one, it's the same amount like what Ivany did out. I must say clad citizen. He must citizen, Ivany are not citizen. But he wants to see him about a blood clot liar where I have a clot link.
Yeah, they are the same liar I might use.
You know what, like a 3 liar them there for Ivany then say. So the fuck, you are a US citizen. You're born here. You live here, you belongs to you, but you want to see him about a liar like Ivany. Moving up blood clot, you can't trick people. You can't trick people, you want to see him amount a liar.
Them not get $1 from me, that's all me know. You know 50 cents.
Dan, more you can help save dancehall though, because yo, I don't know what going on with the Queen still, because the Queen turn TikToker. What if artists in Jamaica turn TikToker? We need some new artists. No, I'm telling the truth. Want some music, some new artists and new music.
This man, it's not a joke.
Listen this.
Someone feel like say it's a big joke this morning when Miss Bling come out and say it's not a joke. Me would I say Bossy was brought in for questioning this man. You're funny yet.
May I come there?
We don't know what happened yet, but guys, remember the other day him come out and him say he want some help from you guys to proceed with our wagwan. So him go want lawyers, guys, and you know him go want more than one lawyer. It's almost similar to Vani situation.
Your blood clot. Stop now. Your blood clot here. Una here now. So, an immigrant and a US citizen want the same treatment. Una dirty blood clot. Una want to kick and pickaxe stick. Me not have to play rest. Una want your rest video? Come in have to play rest.
How that?
Royalty.
Oh Lord.
You know why you hear the rest of the video? It's up to Uno. And if you don't want to hear it, Uno don't want to hear it. But if you don't want to hear it, Uno can hear it. I man that to come out last I'm a citizen of this blood clot country. Uno an immigrant. So how you want to see them lawyer them? Mighty God.
Yo, Dad, you got to do a psychology evaluation on TikTok and change the way how you like your sign up. Because a lot of people have mental problem and it's bad for my kids.
It's the first lack of so far.
Yeah, what the woman say a while ago, people, are the first, are the first hold up and she see So fast. RT boy shoulda make Ivany cool out first. You know what I mean? Ivany just forward. Ivany just forward, man. You coulda just make Ivany cool out first, then you pull off this. People not gonna believe you, you know. Even if I saw it go for real, people not gonna believe you. Because everybody now gonna say the same thing. Everybody now gonna say, yeah man, I saw it go. You gonna have other people who have them own opinion. And people, let me tell you, you have people who look into certain things, you know, them not just jump and say, boy, friend him say it, I saw it go. Them know how artists stay upon the media. So when them see this happen and where people are say about Ivany, them are gonna say, no man, nothing no go so. You see it, and that's why even if this happen for real, which way I mean I think say it happen, you know what I mean, you have to remember the story with the little boy we always a call out, and the time when real thing are going, them not look upon him. You see me? So you have to be mindful of where you are though, because them people they come like say TikTok bring out the worst out of some people. Make a watch some other people.
Somebody for me live right now we have mental problem too. Two of them have mental problem.
It look like the lockup come before the allegation.
Yeah,
The allegation
the
no just
before
drop.
the allegations. The man when they want tell nobody, and I sat the film granny no sat the so he didn't tell nobody that sat the film granny no.
Right, and the RT lock up already.
And then tomorrow man as the break. You know got your bed last night a blood clot. You're on live all when 3 o'clock you're on live and you wake up this man under custody. I must see custody them in your blood clot.
But what I know, them so smart over the life. Hear them now. Being in custody is different from lockup, huh? That's you know what?
So now that Spice Bestie don't know if the Spice paper art boss to do that because Chuchi come up with an allegation like that.
Where you talking?
Come like you say RT they are jail.
Yes, stray away. Where you stray away? Which part you stray away?
I say your feet, Mr. Grace, we still friend him up till I don't know say we don't off the media.
You know they are jail.
Come
like you now listen.
Okay.
You know hear them whoever you know hear RT people them say up Spice pay the little boy if he come out contact. You know hear them say oh Spice wicked as Spice or RT if he got prison.
Oh, me not hear that part.
I hear them say RT wicked for play with the little boy back part.
Okay, me hear that part then.
And when he say me I say I find out and say him touch him, daddy don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell a new one there, I swear.
You know, if you do that, if you do that for true, but me not saying do it, you know, because that is simple fact that, you know.
I man will get to touch, say it, and me, I remember say me have it on my phone, me can't go show a judge, you rather see me and him come and say, him not cry like you want to say RT Uncle finger him. He never did a cry. He say, he never want to say RT finger him alone.
Oh. So if RT get locked up, you can see the chat, how they expose the chat, expose the RT get locked up. I know charge behind it, why get locked up.
Yeah, I know up on TikTok, you know, say I'm going to finger him get.
Dan, Dan, Bella live now, you know, because she had the payment method. All of that.
Come here and play Mr. Tree, she about me to carry money come. But tell her, come here and play Mr. Tree.
Yeah, she said she don't come.
So she doesn't come over and carry money come.
But then you have to go give something to a kind of look right.
Jesus.
RT have to go to Rosalie when the 18 lion.
So TikTok lion.
Back to a lion then.
So you know see say
43 lion on her birthday. I 7,000+7,000. What she said she never get touched.
So now Dan, you see say they never collect the money for Ivany with a good heart though.
Yeah.
But let's play.
You're right, they might talk about it.
Let's play devil's advocate though. Let's
them a chop people them man.
He really want 3 lawyer like Ivany.
Yeah, and my US citizen.
Yeah, that means that there is some truth to it.
Okay, and my US citizen.
That means that there is some truth to it. How we come in the country.
Yeah.
I said don't tell how you come in the country. That means there's some
Remedy,
truth to that.
remedy. You see, as a bestie, I am telling you, you need to pick a struggle and work with it. You're too all over the place and jumble. You see, for RTPA, you talk it through to your RTPA. Because first you say, them you couldn't come out with the truth because them dip you
Yeah,
just
mama,
like how
right now
they lock
can't
up
explain
RT.
it.
Then
Can't,
you go
mama,
go
listen
against
to
your
me
mouth
now.
and
Listen
I
to me
say
now, mama,
you just
mama,
sound like say you
mama,
hear
mama,
the
listen.
story
Me
and you
never
want
change
to
me
come with
mouth.
it because
Mama,
you
you don't
want to
know
come
me
for a
from
damn
nowhere.
life.
You
That's
see
what you
all that?
sound to me.
Listen. No, no, man.
You need to pick a struggle.
Remedy.
Cause you not sound like somebody would not even know what go on here. So you sound last to me. I mean betty people them in I comments no, hear the same thing when me hear. You sound last. It sound like say
Cause
RT just pay you one money and you say alright. You sound like grabber. I'm a diamond. That's what you sound. That you know you just want
A
put in
remedy ma
yourself in
come
a
boy, no
teeth.
remedy you forgot come down. Come off.
Remedy no sound
Come
like you have
down.
a clue what go
Don't
on
take
here.
me down
So
cause I you.
Let me tell you something, people. You see, RT Boss and Blinger, them have a whole lot of minions. You see me, I say, them have a whole lot of people where we do things for them. And you know how the people them down here turn. You see me, as them get a little thing, them we do anything. You see me, I say, and you know RT, him no ram for keep people money. You see me? So let me tell you something. Me always hear people say when me a grow come say if more than one person say something and say I saw it go, I saw it go or it near for go so. But me know for myself say yo nothing like that. You have enough people where we come and say a thing to make it look like say I saw it go. You know what I mean? We see it happen on social media. Look on Ivany something. Look how much people we see come from all about the place. I say Ivany get Wallan pan and all these things. And nothing no go so. You see me I say that a perfect example for sure. You say not everything on the social media thing you have believe in. You see me? This RT thing people, me not tell you no fi believe or if you believe, you know. But me know how them thing you go. You see me? So make a watch some more.
Ma
Him
come
say
boy.
he
Remedy
couldn't
come
come up.
down
Him say
now.
Spice
I'm
take
gonna
him
get
out
Them
of
up.
want
trouble
teach
and
the
say
remedy.
send him out of foreign just like how they lock up RT. And
Bombardos.
you know say they not lock up RT. Pick a
RT
struggle,
not
sir.
locked up. RT lying.
Remedy a down and save you.
Huh?
A down and save you cause the girls them want
But
beat you
remedy,
already.
you can't
You
even up
can't
in
when
the
it
next
come to
2 minutes.
bestie, you
What
can't
if
come for
people want to come
bestie,
in
you
that
know.
box? So you know the box
And
have to
when you
look
come
good.
for bestie, you have to have strong proof. Because you say bestie scam you have to come with that proof. Say bestie scam you in a real life. And if you
But me
can't
not
come with that, then we know see a RTPA you. Cause I know
honestly,
somebody from week.
honestly
RT.
remedy me can't believe you with that scamming part. It's hard to believe. Me not lie, my friend.
Remedy no sound
chop
like
people,
somebody will have
chop,
enough
chop,
money for
chop people, chop,
Remedy
spice.
know
chop,
about the secret.
Scamming.
chop
Remedy know
people,
about the
chop,
secret side. That's
chop,
what me
chop.
know.
Remedy, you have to defend yourself, you know, because your time will expire.
From morning, me I wait upon the mug shot.
Hey,
This
Ivan, when he come out, Ivan, when come out
me,
before me left
Sorry, chop,
work.
thank you
chop,
very
chop.
much.
Sorry, my bad.
Ivan,
Chop.
when come out from me their work.
Thank
From
you. Me
their
still a
work.
wait upon the lockup, the arrest paperwork them for
Yeah.
sure say this him get charged for all
Miss
Ivan, when
sorry.
come out from me their work.
So, Remedy, it is not too late for you to apologize and say you just the one get involved. We understand. Everybody wants a piece of clothes. We understand.
So RT have kids cause him say me three lawyer like Vani. So him
Yeah.
have child custody case too.
He looks so. Yeah.
Remember, so them say Amazon
And he have
baby, you know.
immigration case and him a
Remember them
citizen.
say Amazon baby, so probably he do. Who they say Amazon baby? A
Cheese.
cheese.
A cheese, Amazon baby.
So probably he do because
My
that don't even make no
God.
sense. That don't set one new life goal. Set one new life
But
goal.
hold on, so you tell me say auntie we have so much money at show we look money for liar.
Me can't
But
bother
Millie,
because this
remember
way look
last week
around.
he did I go give away 25 lion, you know.
But remember him give a whole heap with Queenie and Dewey
And
and
do
people
it.
over there in the back Saturday
And
Saturday
him and
or
him
Friday.
and
He give them
Nasdaq.
over $2,000. He
And
give
him
them
and
over
Nasdaq. Him
$2,000
and
and come a
Nasdaq
bed
this way.
today.
Sunshine and
He
him and
take the
Nasdaq.
feed up. So he never sit in a crystal ball say in time I come close. If something goes so, cause him send the jail, but not send the jail, you know. Him tell bring officers. So.
All me know him bring down come quick.
But Don, no
This
this
not
way
seem
now.
like
No
this
this
all
way.
the people them all the people them attack say innocent till proven guilty. This look like a guilty before proven innocent.
Before proving
Cause him reach a
innocent.
jail already and another investigation no go on.
I
But
know
Don,
the
notice this
investigation
way
no go
now.
on and this a man I never seen no warrant, no out, no blood clot. I want
Who
that
was
warrant
on
they say
the
nothing
who
them
was
support. So.
Dog, him is a special celebrity because not even
Yeah.
P Diddy get charged yet. And him a go through film banger
who
rap
was
and
on Bling Alive this morning?
Me da
Who
listen
did I
it.
listen to
Me
Bling
da
Alive
listen
this morning?
it.
Thank you.
I was
You hear,
listening.
all right, did you hear when Blinger said the lady was crying, she couldn't even get nothing in, so she just ear say
So
him
she
get
couldn't
locked
hear
up.
and the
She don't
longest
get
she stay
nothing.
up on the
Hold
phone at
on
10
now.
minutes.
She said one house
Hold
a
on
cry.
now.
Whole house.
But hold on now. Did you hear when she said, did you hear after that when she said she talked to the woman for 30 minutes? You never hear that?
I need a comforter.
You never hear when she talked to the
No,
woman
that
for
she
30
don't know what
minutes?
the
And
charge
she
is.
said,
Thank you. She don't
Millie,
know what the charge is, Queen. Thank you. She don't know what the
Millie,
charge is.
somebody say you did
What
the
can go
pan Big
so?
Back Live today, a report, a bring down bestie, so you need to pick a struggle as well.
me?
Yeah, that's somebody in the
No, me
comments
no
say.
the part. Listen, when me come over here, me ask Dan, me say, Dan, you know, things say, are some setup. Because listen, when I saw the live with Spice and the guy, me say, oh, Spice, happen to know this guy. Dan correct me and tell me, say, I know Spice know the guy. As something that was out from a long time because the way they put it out there, they make it seem like say a she go dig up the guy like a she know the. So me I say, oh Spicy know this guy just happened, so it seem like a setup. But from what
No,
me
but
I
Millie,
hear,
Dan.
it's
Millie,
not.
this a go round from
Dan.
November. And
That's
Maddie says she
and
have
Dan
evidence
just
and
tell me
Maddie
that.
don't tell lie.
And Dan
When
just
RT
tell
knows
me
them
that
out,
me
go
think
down
say
to
a
Dan.
she.
Dan, me did know say the guy I go come out, but me never know say yesterday Spicy I go bring him out.
Oh,
Me
okay.
never know it will come so quick.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
but
I went time the
Sunshine,
guy
them
talk on
Right,
the
so me
voice
think
note.
a she
You see the
bring him
voice
Spice
note?
bring
out.
out the youth. This been a talk about since
No.
November.
Since November, Momo say. And RT bring down come and him have to take him beat because him beat a lot of woman on the app
So
and
I
tear it
don't
up of
understand
people.
how
So me
Spice
don't
would have set up
understand
this when
why everybody abuse
Spice
up
never answer
royalty.
never met no song in a December and Spice never know this little boy. Only Momo alone did know about this story. So Momo was the one who bring it
Exactly. Miss
out.
Donna, that
So
me
how
did I
come
try
Spice
to
I
tell
go
you
set up
because
this
a
now?
long time me hear Momo upon the argument here. When
And
Spice
Cheese
talk
did I
about
bring
it,
it
I
as
was
well.
so
RT boss, you too blood clot lie man. You jump in Ivany style so quick and fast. You couldn't make Ivany style just second a little bit and make the people them forget say Ivany bust a style on them and make some money. You jump in it so quick. You bad mind Ivany man. It's like say you couldn't, you know what I mean, no say Ivany makes so much money with a style and you know go jump in it for make some too. Boy, me I tell you people, yo, hey, at least me no bad mind you still do your thing and make your money. That's all me have to say. People don't give me no opinion. We are gonna listen some more. Remember, we are gonna go over Rosalie and hear Rosalie done Candy.
shot because me I say, oh, she know about this. I'm Momo me
So
here with the argument here.
So who did up on the live in
But
last
listen,
week? I think I was Monday or Tuesday. Hold
When
on.
Spice know about it. Just when RT cut off Spice off it, somebody send it to Spice.
To Spice, right.
Bullet on little boy. Go by YouTube, go watch it. I saw Spice know about what.
But RT
but
said
that's why
last week. I think it was Tuesday after Spice. Come Monday night, RT said Tuesday upon the live say, him say royalty on the ear one now. Only somebody can get to this boy, and what them are gonna do, them are gonna make Spice get to him. RT said out time out last week on the live say, only somebody, them are gonna make Spice get to the guy, and Spice alone can get to the guy. Me here RT said that out time out.
Well, I saw it go. Cause him there sitting there, them say him get to the granny. But the granny can't.
Listen.
Him know him could get to the boy because
TikTok lawyer, I'm here.
blocking from all platforms.
Listen, that's why you have to know what you talk about before you talk, because me swear to God say a Spice go jar for the little boy. And Dan just a open me.
No, but even Millie, let me ask you a question. Millie, let me ask you a question. So even if Spice did go for the little boy, what I don't know that because I'm a tear down the woman over 3 years now.
No, but here what me I say now.
So she have
good evening, everybody. Dan, you see mugshot?
Listen,
Listen
what I said.
I'm gonna nurse, bro.
No mugshot no all day.
But if in a Ivany case, mugshot the whole long time, Dan.
Mugshot come out from their work. Ivany won't come out from their work. No, at 7 o'clock. No, we not come out yet.
Yeah, what me I say.
Okay, all right. Dan, me I come down from a good page. Come I want to report my page.
Okay.
Me want to report my page.
I don't listen. This is TikTok and you have customers.
I come with my next page.
A bagger. But when it comes, and you know, say that are people livelihood, you are going to go to jail and that's something serious. That's why me say, if you cannot set up a person, that is no payback. That's what I'm trying to say. That is no payback. So anybody who feels, say, you know, that tick for tack is a good thing. It's not. Me don't care what nobody say. If me and you are arguing, it no matter what we are arguing over, when it comes to know, say that could be 20 years in a prison, that could be life in a prison. There is no sense. You can't compare 20 years, 10 years sentence with bagger.
Boy, though, since they argue, all right, that's why I show you, sometimes if you see come, they say humble, the calf in something most milk. You see when Spice come over Blink, Spice come to Deja. You see if RT leave her, make she talk to Deja, and then she come off all of this, nothing, this done and done.
Millie.
That's why me come ask you, Dan. That's why me come over here and ask you.
In front of crowd, then we do crazy stuff.
Millie, did you listen to the little boy's story?
No, listen. All I see was Spice interview the little boy, right?
Did you listen to the story?
Yes, me listen to half of it.
You listened to everything that the little boy said.
I listened to what the little boy was saying. But listen, listen, you have to understand. Not everybody listen to something and say that is fact. That's why they have quote. You understand? Because the thing
Millie, listen, but you don't have no understanding. You never comprehend.
But Millie,
no,
listen to everything that the little boy said that this man did to him, right? You think, and he's showing his face, Did you think somebody in their right mind is going to come in front of a camera and sit down and all these allegations against somebody that is not true? Remember, say him can get locked up, Yeah. Spice, I go get the lock up, and him, I go get the lock up,
Can I ask you a question?
Listening.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Is it impossible for people to lie about them things?
Millie, this story
you are listening.
Long before Spice.
I one question you have to ask Millie. If a little boy come out and say somebody do something to him, how you finding granny and you don't know who and you never do?
No, I am not.
Yes, Dan.
Millie, we set up this when
listen up.
People, in a them time, I go tell you something. You can't believe everything you wanna see. Them have a saying what them say. Believe none of what you hear and believe half of what you see. You see me I say that means that you have to look into whatever get put out there, you know what I mean, and come to your conclusion. You see me I say? It's not impossible. Say RT get hold on, you know what I mean, it can go so and it can go so. But more know what uno think. Let me know what uno think in the comment section. You see me I say? So we just have to listen to some more people and then we are go over to Rosalie.
Happen. I'm not saying it did not happen.
Oh,
I'm
find
saying
little boy granny out of all the granny them in the world. You find
Because
Dan
you never know
granny,
him. The
and
little
you
boy,
say
then
you
how
don't
you
know him.
find his grandmother?
right, but Adana tell me say the man find it. We don't understand what I go on. I came to talk to Dan because I know Dan know how fi. Oh, you just say it no. Dan know how fi find the truth.
Yeah.
So that's why me I asked Dan what she think. And Dan I said to me, oh, them find the little boy grandmother, this, that,
Then
that, that,
I
that.
saw
So me I say, you know
RT
what? So me I
Millie,
say,
between me and you,
have a
Millie, the
question
question that you
in
asked just
cult.
now, right? The question that you asked just now, Millie, when you said, if it is impossible for the little boy to come and pass an allegation, you should never ask that question after you
no,
ask the
I
question
said,
before
listen
and
to what
Don
I'm
give you a
asking.
response.
Exactly. You should
You
have
know
asked
what I'm
that before
saying
you
now?
bring down Bestie.
No, you're not understanding. Listen, remember say I know bestie. Listen, uno have to learn how to have a conversation.
Yes, Millie,
I
but
did
the way you
Different
how
to
you come
conversation.
at
The
her when she
conversation,
say that
you
question,
miss.
you know the
but
full
hold
story.
on
The way
now.
you
I
come at
did not
her.
say, listen to what I'm
Remember, she's a
saying. Listen to,
human being as well.
but you
I
have
need
to
to ask a
listen.
question
That's
to
true.
Millie, please. Somebody, Millie, let me ask you a question.
Hold on, you
This
ask 10
morning you was
questions in a one.
Material.
Listen,
this
hold
morning
on,
you
no,
was
honey.
over Blinger. Why never make Blinger explain to you all of this where I go on?
Listen to me,
No,
honey.
she
I'm
not
over.
gonna get this
Listen,
over
no.
there. She not gonna
Hold
get
on,
this
no.
over there.
Feel
Cause them
like she
not
go
Alright,
get.
explain it to her.
hold on. No, no, ask 20 questions in a one, please. Hold on. Number one, me not have conversation with Blinger. I don't have conversation with Blinger. I have conversation with people with sense. That's why me I ask Dan, me I talk to Dan about the situation. Listen to what I'm saying. This morning, when I was over Blinger, the way it was presented, can remember them, remember say them say RT get locked up and all of these stuff.
Oh, yeah,
So
go for
me
that
was
then.
working off my well I know me was working off my emotion and then me said to myself, hold on there. This can't make sense. If you was here when I came over here to Dan, the first question me come ask Dan, me say Dan, you think RT get locked up because this no make no sense? And that's why we're having the conversation. It's
Conversation.
what
Yeah,
was
that's what she said.
presented to you. It's what
This is
was
a
presented to you and then
stuff
you
or this
start
is a
saying
what?
to
I'm gonna
yourself. This no
explain.
make
All
no
right, Don.
sense.
All
You
right, Dan.
understand?
All right, Millie, you asked Dan if you think RT get locked up because of the allegation we passed to her, right? That's what you stated,
Right.
miss. Right? Dan tell you say if he never goes to him when reach to his grandmother and then you come back and made a allegation again. You come
Yes,
I
back
did
and
Millie,
make
not.
an
and
allegation
tell lie
again in a
from
miss.
grape.
I'm saying
Him
to
no lock
you.
up.
I'm
Him no
saying
lock
to
up.
you.
Oh,
I'm
lock up.
saying
Lock up
to
push man.
you. I'm saying to
No lock
you.
up.
Me believe say no
Yeah,
lock up
lock
now
up.
that to Dan.
Eh?
But me not see no mugshot come out. Me believe say no lock
Lock
up.
up. People can't lock up people so for one case we go on from 2016 and just you come in a jail and say, hey, that woman me. Wall him man, wall him there, wall him and that's it. You don't know what to find you. Remember say it not happen now. Like say two of them live same place and they happen now. A different state happen now. Them have to go get evidence from which party happen. How much years ago. Him now use them the phone them boy saying change too much phone. So them have to go back in at them dial them the phone. If he can remember which phone him that use at the time when it happened. If he can remember a month when it happened or a week when it have to go through all depends on how him did at jail. So what when do for go jail? Now when you say no do nothing then when do for go jail? He couldn't be
I
at
want
jail.
thing RT them the money there where you want. Feel
It
like
couldn't
yeah.
be a jail,
Not
nothing no
even
go
Queen
so.
Council. Not even Queen Council and take them this much. So much money you want, so much you want all
Yesterday a
that shit like
Sunday,
that.
them couldn't even deal with it yesterday a Sunday. So you gonna tell me say this man and then just come to here and carry you gonna court and lock you up at jail for what? You know no sense, man. Good God, man, you chop shit, man.
Miss Dan, the one question when me want for ask, and me ask something with sense, you know, because me can't bother with foolish people who talk foolish things, you know. If something gone from 2016 and a 2024 we in, why because of a dispute and an argument. Why it never come out from the first time it happened? Me not take off the RT boss. RT boss, I know me friend. Me a one of Spice fans, cause me like Spice. Me not go around the thing. But me I say, why now these things and these allegations have to pull out about this and a pull out? Why it never pull out from the first day
Because him step
and the
on
first
and
week
toe when
it
him
happened?
Talking about since no.
Alright, some people, let me know what you think in the comment section, because let me tell you something, people. RT and the whole of them people, yeah, you know what I mean, them upon life together already. You see it, so me no know what really are going on, my people. That one yeah, confusing. You see it, but I want to tell me what you think in the comment section, and we will go over Rosalie, you know, and hear Rosalie add-on candy. People, you know, so me I look for the Rosalie this up candy and me no see it. So here we go on. You see anything me I go put up next, me I go put it in that. You see me if I find it. So let me know what you think in the comment section, my people. Me I go end it right here so.